I'm working on my parents' mini split system. Slow leak ever since it was installed. What I did is I pumped down the system. Any remaining refrigerant is inside the unit. It had oil around it. It was leaking slowly, and I noticed the flare is alright, but it was cockeyed a bit. It was very dirty, but I cleaned it completely. It looks so much better. I also cleaned this side very carefully. Right now, we got this vacuum pump pulling down the system, and it's been like longer than 30 minutes. Tie it all back together, and there's no freezing, and it's cooling very well.